Starting to see Jeep inventory picking back up, thankfully, just in time for 4th of July weekend. We've got a Firecracker Red 4th of July special for you, the Apex Edition. You see me wear my Fox hat in a lot of our videos. That's because we truly love Fox. We think they're one of the premier shock companies out there, and their ride quality that they provide on all their vehicles. Just showed you a 250 earlier. This vehicle's got the Fox shocks as well. We love our Raptors, so many applications that we use the Fox shocks with. So let's check out our Apex Edition Firecracker Red. Truly hard to go wrong with a red vehicle of any kind, but much less a Jeep. You know that's going to be a hit. We have the Sport S Unlimited Jeep Wrangler 2020 here at Aikens and Winder. 2-inch Mopar kit from the factory. You got to love that. Available over the counter from Mopar with the Jeep Performance Parts Fox shocks. These are larger than the 2.0s, so they're specifically tuned just for the Jeep, front and rear. So just a great overall ride quality there. Looks killer. We've got the XD Gauntlet 20x9 wheel. Got a negative offset. And we don't run General tires enough, but we have them on a lot of our Rouse vehicles. And the General Grabber X3 is a great tire. I want here to let you know. Love that sidewall, how everything is incorporated into the tread. You got nice deep spacing between, so this is a good mud terrain tire. Your lugs on the center are closer together for better road quality, reduced road noise also. But this is a new wheel for 2020, got our hands on it. We also can change that star to red. If you think it would look better, let me know about that. We'll definitely do that for a change up. The Infab Podium step bars. These are not like your traditional old school Infabs where this was a really small step. You got a much more substantial step with some rock rail protection with a nice 3-inch bar there. Here's a good side shot for you. Just a clean, can't go wrong with it. 2-inch on the JL body style, 35s, and rock on. Out back, we've got a Weston spare tire carrier to get that wheel off that back tailgate there. Looks so much nicer as well. Still can incorporate the backup camera in your center stack of your wheel hub there. Custom Aikens Jeep tag. Look at that tread. This is a jam up tire, one you need to know about. Negative 18 on the offset, so it's a good on a mild to wild scale right there in that medium range. Firecracker Red Apex Edition, now available at Aikens. Come check us out. Appreciate you guys' support. Thanks for watching so much. Stay tuned to see that Firecracker Red vehicle on Aikens Mountain. It will not be long, so everybody stay tuned. Thanks so much.